The world of filmmaking is on the brink of a technological revolution. This revolution is driven by a powerful force: virtual production. In essence, virtual production is the fusion of physical filmmaking with real-time digital environments. This innovative approach allows filmmakers to create immersive and interactive sets, blurring the lines between reality and imagination. Gone are the days of green screens and extensive post-production. Virtual production is changing the game. Imagine a world where directors can see their CGI creations come to life in real time during the shoot. This is the power of virtual production, and it's transforming how movies are made. Virtual production offers a more efficient and creatively liberating filmmaking process. Filmmakers are no longer bound by the limitations of location, weather, or even physical props. The ability to craft and manipulate digital environments on the fly opens a universe of possibilities for storytelling in ways never before imagined. This paradigm shift is not just a technological advancement, it's a fundamental change in how stories are told and experienced. As the lines between the real and the virtual continue to blur, virtual production promises to redefine the very essence of cinema. One of the most significant advantages of virtual production is the power of real-time feedback. Traditionally, filmmakers had to wait until post-production to see how visual effects would integrate with live-action footage. With virtual production, this feedback loop is instantaneous. Directors can see exactly how actors interact with digital characters and environments on set, allowing for immediate adjustments and a more organic performance. Another key benefit is cost reduction. Virtual production can significantly reduce the need for expensive location shoots and physical set construction. By creating these elements digitally, filmmakers can save time and money, allowing for more resources to be dedicated to other aspects of production, such as talent and storytelling. This efficiency makes high-quality filmmaking more accessible, opening doors for independent filmmakers and smaller studios. Virtual production also unlocks unprecedented creative versatility. Filmmakers can easily experiment with different camera angles, lighting setups, and even entire environments without the constraints of physical limitations. This freedom allows for greater artistic expression and the ability to push creative boundaries. The ability to conjure up any imaginable scenario, from fantastical landscapes to historical recreations, with a level of realism never before achieved, is a game-changer for filmmakers. This technology empowers directors to tell stories in bold new ways, blurring the lines between fantasy and reality, and captivating audiences with breathtaking visuals. This seamless blend of the real and the virtual opens a new chapter in cinematic storytelling, promising experiences that are both immersive and unforgettable. LED walls have emerged as a transformative technology in virtual production. These massive, high-resolution screens act as dynamic backdrops, displaying real-time rendered environments that respond to camera movement and lighting changes. Actors can now perform seamlessly within these digital worlds, creating a truly immersive experience for both the cast and crew. The use of LED walls not only enhances the visual fidelity of the production, but also provides a more natural and interactive environment for actors to perform in. Another key trend is the evolution of motion capture technology. Motion capture allows actors to portray digital characters with incredible realism, capturing even the subtlest of movements and expressions. Advances in motion capture systems have made the process faster, more accurate, and more accessible. This has led to a surge in the use of motion capture in films, video games, and even live performances. The combination of LED walls and motion capture is revolutionizing virtual production workflows. Imagine a world where actors can walk through ancient ruins, fly through futuristic cities, or interact with mythical creatures, all within the confines of a studio soundstage. This is the power of virtual production, and it's changing the way we experience stories on screen. These advancements are giving rise to a new breed of filmmakers and technicians who are fluent in both the language of cinema and the tools of virtual production. This convergence of art and technology is creating exciting new opportunities for collaboration and innovation within the entertainment industry. The future of filmmaking is undoubtedly intertwined with the continued development of virtual production. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more immersive and interactive filmmaking experiences. Artificial intelligence, AI, will likely play a more significant role in automating tasks, creating virtual actors, and personalizing content for different audiences. However, this evolution also presents challenges. The increasing reliance on virtual environments raises questions about the role of traditional filmmaking skills and the potential displacement of certain crew roles. The industry must adapt to these changes by fostering a new generation of filmmakers and technicians equipped to navigate the complexities of virtual production. Despite these challenges, the future of virtual production in filmmaking appears bright. Its ability to democratize filmmaking, enhance creativity, and create truly immersive experiences is undeniable. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of virtual production in the years to come. Ultimately, virtual production is not just about creating stunning visuals, it's about enhancing the art of storytelling. By seamlessly blending the real and the virtual, filmmakers can transport audiences to new worlds, evoke powerful emotions, and create truly unforgettable cinematic experiences. The lines between the real and the digital are fading, and the future of filmmaking is being written in pixels and light. Thanks for watching, and see more at pureremedy.com.